Behind me is my 2023 MK8 GTI. Now since I got my exhaust, my car sounds great from the back. But not so much from the front. But today, we're gonna fix that with this CTS Turbo open air intake style intake system 2.0. I forgot what it is called, man. CTS Turbo air intake system, high performance equipment, but the open style, meaning no covers and maximum intake noises. And I know it's been a while since the last video, and I apologize. The first reason is just right here. We have probably received over 5 feet of snow in the last like 4 weeks, and the weather has consistently been like -15 degrees Celsius. It is excruciatingly painful to be outside and to do anything, and that is where I work on my cars. So here we are.
It's more paper.
Paper. We got our tube, pipe tube. This is my favorite piece. Baby filter, baby filter. Ooh. Let's take everything inside. And there we have it, the entire CTS Turbo open style air intake system. And I think it looks fantastic. What do you think?
Do you know how to put it together?
Let's figure it out. That should be done. To the car. All right, it is now time to get the old stuff out so that we can get the new stuff in. And I think we start off by taking this off. Is this an 8 mil? Oh, no, it was a 7.
You're not strong enough.
No.
There you go. Well done.
Disconnected. Now this should also pop right out.
Oh, that's weird.
Is there any oil in there? No. Oh, no.
There must be.
There is.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, maybe that's where all my oil is going.
Oh, that worked.
Nice. Okay, so that's probably not how you're supposed to take it off, but...
Did you break the car?
Yeah, just a little bit. I'll get a replacement for Volkswagen. Okay, so it turns out if you just pinch this, it just pops out.
You just broke something for no reason.
Yeah, no, it's all good. This is part of working on cars, after all.
I guess.
And that leaves the airbox, which you should just be able to yank. The old intake system is completely out, which means we can start putting the new stuff in.
Oh, that was quick.
We are then going to extend this vacuum line of the tube. Ooh. Which way should I make the logo face?
No, to the side.
To the side, like this side?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I like that too. Oh.
Assemble the heat shield.
Yeah.
Are you sure you don't want to follow the instructions and put it down?
Instructions are for losers, dude. Finally. Vacuum hose and thread it down this way. Gotta line this up. Tighten this down. All right, so the tube is 90% done. We have the baby filter, that's zip tied down. Need to trim that off. Our vacuum line, which is down here, that's connected, which means it's time for the filter. Well, that looks absolutely amazing. What do you think?
I mean, it looks very good, but I just kind of want to know how it sounds.
Well, maybe you should go and start the car and I should get the first listen.
Okay.
Now it sounds pretty normal on startup, but I think when we get a rev, that's when we're gonna see a difference. All right, give it a rev. That is crazy. And now we're gonna put the mic under the hood and really hear how it sounds.
Perfect.
Now from the inside, I was worried that it was gonna be way too loud, but with the windows up, you just barely hear it. Just enough to remind you it's still there. But with the windows down, you don't just hear the blow off, you hear the turbo whistle like crazy.
It feels a little faster, to be honest.
Definitely added at least 50 horsepower, dude.
I think the look, first and foremost, is extremely aggressive.
Yes.
You can clearly tell that this car is pushing some serious HP.
Let's hear it.
Scary. Scary. Aggressive.
I had always been skeptical about that intake noise, thinking that it was a bit tacky, but now that I have one, I understand. I almost like the intake noise more than my exhaust sound. Huge thank you to Undisputed Performance for getting me this intake all the way from BC in super short notice. And if you guys have a Volkswagen, BMW, Audi, Mercedes, and you want to get CTS turbo parts on your car, check out Undisputed Performance and use the code HOONHOUSE to get 15% off. 15% off on that. Woo! Now for those of you who watched the last video on my taillights, I'm currently waiting on a harness to get fully done. And once I get that harness, we are gonna install those beautiful Euro style taillights that are gonna transform the rear of this car. But until then, stay tuned on more mods on this thing, more mods on that thing. They are coming right up. And I am going to Argentina for the next 2 weeks. And I'm gonna film some content over there, so stay tuned for that too. Thanks for watching.
You've not gone out of the frame.
Am I out of the frame yet?
No.